Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So I didn't mean for my channel to turn into this, but I haven't been able to film a lot of videos, so all I've been really filming are haul videos, so welcome back to another haul. I did some birthday shopping for my dad and mom, and I already got her something that I didn't show you guys. It's a crystal pyramid that I bought her that was already a little pretty penny. And then I got her a little something else, and then I was meant to get my dad more stuff today, but since I live in the mountains, I never go to the mall. I went to the mall today and did a little splurging and bought kind of a lot of stuff, spent a couple hundred, so let's dive into my haul and show you guys what I got. One of the first things is this really cool ring. It's this awesome black skull ring from Hot Topic, so maybe I'll start off with my Hot Topic stuff. I've seen these on Amazon, always wanted one, like a silver and a gold one, never got a chance to, and then now I found a black one. I'm like, I'm getting it. So I went in here because my sister always raves about it, and when I went into the store, they said if I get this bag and whatever I fill it up with, it'll get 25% off, so I went ahead and bought it. It says Chimichangas on it, and it's, I forget his name. What's his name again? Oh, Deadpool. Everyone kept on telling me, and they said it was like the kick-ass movie, and I want to eventually see it, that it has that humor in it. So yeah, got this little bag, and then I got the 2 Bath & Body Works candles in here. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but we're starting off with Hot Topic. I used to always love their stuff when I was little and haven't went in there in so long, guys. Look at all these receipts. There's just too many. Let's see, is this for me or my sister? Okay, this one's for my sister right here, because she loves this band. This is one of her other bands she loves a lot, so I bought her this t-shirt. I got her that one, and then I should have gotten her a different t-shirt because my dad actually might have gotten her this one, and I thought I bought her a different one, but I guess I didn't. This one's the classic one, but if she loves the band, she won't mind having a duplicate, so I got her that shirt too. And then now on for me, I got me this shirt. What does it say on it? Let's see. It says, Bullet for my Valentine, and this shirt was on clearance, and I thought it looked really awesome, so I'm like, I have to get this shirt. I need some more graphic tees in my life. I haven't had that many in so long, so I'm like, I have to get that. Didn't see really any cool skull shirts that I wanted in there. And then it's funny because from being normal and not spiritually awakened, now when I went in there, I went straight to that supernatural movie section because they had all the pentacles, all the magical stuff. So now I'm going to all the spiritual stuff in the stores. So I bought some supernatural pajamas, and these ones have the little pentacles on them, those magic symbols from the show. And it's kind of scary because in Hot Topic there are some of the non-pentacles, the things that are in the Bible that people view as evil. The evil star, that one, they had some of those, and I'm like, oh, can't be buying those products. So I only got the normal pentacle, the good elemental symbol, and yeah, that was all from Hot Topic. And then my ring, and I bought more stuff, but I had to put it back because my total went to too much. It turned out that some of the promo didn't get applied and I had to do separate transaction. But anyways, enough with that. More with me and my purchase. Ooh, this bag's fun, but I want to do the really fun thing. Where's it at? Okay, I was kind of surprised too, guys, because I work in retail, and out of all the stores, this is one of my most happy experiences with the stores. Like, greeting-wise, helping customers out-wise. If there was a mystery shopper at any of these stores, they would have mostly all failed. But this one, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Chic or something, like Shrek. The lady, the girl that was at the store, she was really nice to me. On top of it, helping me, I can't even talk, welcoming me in and all that good stuff. So it was a really nice experience, so I wanted to go ahead and buy something in there since they had stuff I liked. I got me this fun Adidas shirt, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun pictures coming out soon, guys. Sorry, I'm like holding the shirt weird, but I got a fun Adidas shirt. It's a dark blue navy one. Got that one, and then this one I was living for, and I was so happy, guys. This one, it's like a little fake LV jacket, like a hoodie, and it doesn't have the LV symbol on it, but it has cash symbols instead, and everyone has all that Supreme LV stuff on Instagram and all that things, and I love that name brand. I want some, but it's out of my price range right now, so when the time's right, I'll get it, but until then, I'll settle with this. So I was really happy to get this hoodie. It's gonna look so good on my Instagram. High Priestess has to look good in style, you know, looking trendy. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you the Bath & Body Works candles. I got 2 of these, and it's funny because as soon as I went in, I was trying to find my mom something, and then boom, I just noticed they had these Pablo Santo candles, and I never really noticed this before, guys, so it's funny, like everything spiritual, Hot Topic, I saw the pentacles, I went right in and got all the magical stuff, and same thing with this store. It smells so good. It's Pablo Santo, so it's a little hexagon candle, very magical with the sacred geometry. And yeah, it's Pablo Santo Bath and Body Works. And let's see, how much was it? It was $29.50, and it was buy one, get one free, so that's really nice and yummy smelling. I got my mom one and me one, so we got that. And then, let's see what else. Oh, first store I went to was Barnes & Noble. I'm so mean, I'm gonna show my dad stuff last. So I got these tarot cards. I wanted so many of them, but I felt guided to get these ones, the House of Night tarot cards. I was really happy to get these and open them up, if you guys couldn't tell. I was just really sad though, because out of all the cards I wanted to have a Goddess Nyx card, and they actually didn't have a Goddess Nyx in there. And it's funny, for High Priestess, there should have just been one with Zoe on it, since she's all the elements, but I was happy to get this little pack of tarot cards. And then I was getting all the magical books in there, guys. I should have been vlogging, but a lot of the stores, I don't know if I mentioned, but I tried to vlog, but the music was so loud, so I couldn't really vlog. But ironically, out of all the books, I put them back because I bought a bunch of magical books already, guys, and I know my basic knowledge, so something I really don't have are dream stuff. So this book is How to Interpret Your Dreams. It says, yeah, How to Interpret Your Dreams, a Practical Guide. I love this book. It's really, like, nice. It says a little bit of what some things mean, but it goes more in depth on, like, what they mean, what kind of different types of dreams you have, and it's just good info. And then this book right here, I love the cover, too. I like that one, and this one, the cover is really nice. And this one just goes into, like, a bunch of things, like A through Z, like, different words of what things mean in your dreams. And I had a really weird dream last night. And it was kind of neat to find out what it meant, and I'm like, oh, I wouldn't have thought of that. Sometimes when you look it up on the internet and Google, it never comes up, so happy to get these books to help me out on my spiritual journey. And then this was a book I bought later. When I first went into the store, I bought those things like I told you guys then. I went to, when I exited the store, I saw this book, and I'm like, darn it, I have to get it before I leave. I got the Holy Bible. So this one's a version by King James. And I really just love it. It's got some good energy in it. It's fun and bougie, gold, old school, and it's just very magical looking. I love it a lot. Love you, God. Had to get a little piece of God since they really don't make God statues and stuff. In like Buddhism, they just have a big like candle or light in the back of Buddha to represent him, because we're all pure energy. So I got this. And then I went to Hollister, guys. They kept on spraying their fragrance in there. It was so funny. The employee was. I was gonna buy them because they were on sale, the fragrance, but I'm like, I bought a bunch of essential oils, and somehow my total went to like $100 when I bought 2 shirts on half off, so I was like, what's going on? But I got this cool black tie-dye shirt, very nice and magical. Beautiful protection color. And then I noticed this checker patterns in, guys. At that other store, I got the fake LV hoodie. They had a cool like windbreaker with a checker pattern, but it was $80, and I'm like, that's so expensive. Rather go to Burlington. But I got me this cool checker shirt from Hollister to get me something checker, since I feel like it's coming back in and I really like it. Tana Mojo inspired, but no, a lot of stores have checkers, and I'm like, I want them. So let's see, that's my dad's stuff. I'll show those last. I guess I'll show the Aeropostale. So or Aeropostale. I know Givenchy, but I don't know Aeropostale. But I know Bethany Moto always talks about this brand a lot, and I didn't even know what kind of stores I was going into, guys. I even went into the Guess store and different places, and I'm just like, oh, I didn't know what store I was in, but stuff looked fun. So this store was nice. The girl in there helped me. I'd rate her second from the other store of like customer service. Really nice. So I got this fun red shirt. I really like this one a lot because I wanted more graphic tees. An awesome red lucky color for Chinese, and I just love red, so that's perfect for a bunch of seasons. And I kind of got more red in a sense. This one's like a California shirt. Really love these kind of shirts. They're really nice and awesome with the photography. Then I got this one with like a flag. I could probably wear it like during the 4th of July, being more trendy with the flag on there, with some like floral stuff, like Hawaiian. And then I bought a pair of white joggers, my famous white joggers, all over my Instagram, my YouTube videos. I always wear them, guys. They kind of gotten messed up, and like I bleached them and things happened to it. So I finally got a new pair to like replace it. They're not joggers, sadly, but they are a pair of white jeans, and they're gonna look awesome on me. I really love that store because there was a sale going on, and yeah, this is just crazy. I'm having a big pile of stuff, but I enjoyed that store a lot, so I got some cool stuff there. Then I wish I went to the Van store, because I didn't know that there was a Van store at the mall. I went to a bunch of other stores to compare price, and Nordstrom had a good price for these things for my dad. And if I went to the Van store, I saw a coupon that you would get like half off if you get a second pair, so I wish I did. Should've went there, guys. But I got these as part of his gift, so I'm like, I need to start getting him stuff. So I got this classic pair right here. This guy. So I got this, and then I also ordered one from a local store up here that didn't have the thing that I needed. So I got that online, got that for him, went over there. I was really sad because Macy's that I went to in Victoria Gardens had like a nice selection of shoes, really good deal, but I don't know what happened over there. So let's see, that was his, and then I'll show you guys the gifting stuff I got him to wrap the stuff. I got him this little wrapping bag stuff from Target, not tissue paper, wrapping paper. Sorry guys, I'm really tired and drained. One cool thing though was that I got to have boba. I haven't had it in like a year or two, and I was so happy to have that at the mall. But I got those stuff. I was kind of sad at Target because they didn't have a good selection of wrapping stuff. Oh, I should have showed this on with the magical stuff. When I ordered from the White Witch Parlor, one thing forgot to send, so she sent it to me. I got this little sample of her cleanse oil. So it's got orange, it's blessed by orange calite and blue something. It's got like blackberry and sage in it, so I got my little oil from her. And I ordered these little charms on Amazon. They came in, they're little triquetras, little Celtic knot. So I got those guys. And then let's see, this is the stuff for my dad. I guess I'll start off with coal. So I kind of spent some money there I didn't expect spending, and I was like, I wasn't really happy with everything, but hopefully he'll like the stuff I got. So I got this for him. Let's see if it'll show. I got this shirt for like the weekends and stuff, and then I got him this one too. So like two kind of dressier shirts for him. Hopefully he likes that. And then I got this one that's totally him. Has a vibe on it. Sorry guys, I feel like I'm progressively getting more drained of energy because I'm tired. So I got this shirt, totally up his alley. And then I went to Target, and then I got some stuff too. I was sad because I wanted to buy more of these, but there was only one per left in the size, so I had to get this. I got one of those. And then I got something else that I don't need to show you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's my whole haul for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's so funny my YouTube's turned into like a haul channel because I haven't had time to film videos for you, and I tried to do a vlog today, but it just didn't work out. I might include some clips in the end of the video of what my vlog was supposed to be like. The music was just too loud, and I didn't really feel like vlogging with copyright issues on YouTube. Even though I'm not monetized, I'm just like, I don't want to deal with the music in the background. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more fun videos coming your way. Like I said, when I have more time, I want to do some fun spiritual videos, challenges, my mukbangs, and all that good stuff. And definitely, I want to try to vlog again too. When I go to indoor mall, I went to an indoor mall, music was too loud, so I need to go to like Target and other places and try to vlog more for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm going to try to stop rambling. Please turn on those post notifications down below. Follow my Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the post notifications. Sorry if I said that already. And blessed be, guys.